Here is how you can create the fingerprint lock on your Android phone. Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, obviously it heavily depends on your device and it actually has to be supported through the hardware, meaning you have to actually have the fingerprint reader part of your phone. In some cases, it is under the display. In my case, it is on the side power button. Then it's some other phones, it is on the back right below the camera, right? But as long as you have it, it shouldn't really be an issue. And the way to approach this would be by going to the Settings app and finding the Security and Privacy section. In there, you can see I have the lock screen enabled, so the screen lock is there, but I can as well tap on the fingerprints, proceed inside with my current code, but I just want to make sure that the fingerprint unlock is turned on. That is the most important toggle because you want to have it enabled so I can actually get inside my phone using my finger. But also at the top, I can add those fingers which are stored in here, right? So I personally have the right thumb stored on my phones, but it would make sense to have a backup finger added as well. For example, the right index finger or left thumb, right? It depends on your situation, but that's how you can add it, right? Just tap on add a fingerprint and just hold down on it a few times over, right? So you can actually save it right there. So that is something which you can definitely do. Make sure that it does work. One more thing though, I've seen some apps on the Play Store claiming that they can add the functionality, but obviously if it's not part of the hardware, then it's not going to work. So just don't be fooled by those apps, right? So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.